It's been really good. A lot of energy. There's a lot of excitement around the whole factory of the future, smart manufacturing, Industry 4.0. It runs by a lot of different names, but there's a lot of energy, a lot of excitement, a lot of great interaction with some prospects, and actually some of our own clients that we work with.
The best thing here is that you're with other leaders across manufacturing that are looking for ways to improve manufacturing and do it for the better of the world.
Hitachi prides itself on the whole area of data science, advanced analytics as it pertains to Industry 4.0. So not only do we bring the data science piece, we also have the technology, we have the solutions, we have the process management and so on to help companies address where they need to go in their IoT journey.
You're going to need a partner. If you're a manufacturer, you're going to need somebody to help you. Unless you have a giant infrastructure that does these things, you're going to need someone to help you do that. There's folks out there like Hitachi that are interested, to help us make that move. So we will definitely be talking to them as we get further along in our process.
The exponential difference in your organization, if you don't start to move now down this digital journey, is going to be so painful, and it's going to just multiply for you exponentially. So it's really time to move.